What happens when the government decides it wants back one of Delhi's most exclusive addresses? That is the battle now unfolding over Delhi Gymkhana Club, the 27.3-acre colonial-era institution in Lutyens Delhi, long associated with ministers, diplomats, military officers, the who's who of India's power circles. Centre's Land and Development Office under the Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry has directed the club to hand over its premises on Safdarjung Road by June 5. The government says the land, located in a sensitive and strategic area near the Prime Minister's residence, is needed to strengthen defence infrastructure, public security and other public interest projects. But the story is not only about redevelopment. Reports say the club also faces 47.58 crore rupees in unpaid ground rent dues. The l&do reportedly wrote to the club authorities 3 times in September 2025 and March and April this year, asking them to clear the amount. And here is the key detail. The land does not belong to the club. It is government-owned land held by Delhi Gymkhana Club on a perpetual lease dating back to the colonial era. Under the lease terms, the government says it can take back the land for a public purpose. The dispute has now reached the Delhi High Court. Members and employees have challenged the move, arguing that a takeover would affect a century-old institution, about 14,000 members and users, and over 500 staff. But there is an important court update. The Delhi High Court has refused to grant interim relief for now. At the same time, Centre has assured the court that there will be no forcible takeover before 5th June and that any eviction action will follow legal procedure and prior notice. The club's government-appointed committee has also asked Centre to clarify whether alternate land can be relocated if relocation becomes unavoidable. It has also raised concerns over employees, members, and scheduled club events. Supporters say Delhi Gymkhana is part of the capital's living heritage. Critics, however, call it a colonial-era privilege sitting on prime public land. And now, the bigger question is this. When redevelopment, unpaid dues, public purpose and heritage collide, which one takes priority? This is Janvi Pathak for The Economic Times.